Oh, MrKaiKai, what would you like for Christmas? Something special, I bet.
Oh yeah, very special.
Thank you and have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
How's it, everybody? I know some of you are going to be upset. That's the wrong car! No, it's Porsche. It is the right car. Oh man, I haven't driven this car in weeks. I feel like I haven't been driving any Porsche in a couple weeks because the weather's been rainy. And get in this car and you forget. The main difference between this car and the red car is the sound. Listen. This car gurgles. And it's instant. The red one still is instant, but it's different instant. It's like instant with like boosts. Now, tomorrow, which I'll probably be part of the same video, I'll take the red one out. We're gonna take it down to the Porsche dealership, and they have the brand new 2024 Taycan, and they want to give us an option to look at it, drive it, touch it, taste it, that type of thing. I love this car. Let's get rid of the wind noise. Yeah, love this car. Oh, I bought a pickup truck. Yeah, was it 2001 Nissan Frontier? A little poop box. And bought it from a young army man who's getting out of the army and moving back to Georgia, he said, but not Atlanta. And yeah, little truck runs great. Little Honda Fit had a VTEC issue. You know, when you give it a gas at about 3,200 RPM, it would like, felt like it had a rev limiter. Kind of violent rev limiter, by the way. So I swapped that out. Part was only 60 bucks. And it was 3 bolts plus a I have the hiccups. Plus a 4th bolt for the wiring harness thing. Oh man, I'm gonna stop. I know, it's the wrong car. But I haven't driven in a couple weeks. I need to drive it. The battery was really low. I didn't put it on the tinder. Tomorrow though, there is an event. I'll bring the red one out. But as soon as I got in it, I noticed a big difference. This car is a lot louder. A lot louder. And the red car doesn't gurgle, pop, and bang. This car gurgles, pops, and bangs. So, there's that. Oof! Alright, wrong car, I know, but it's gonna be Porsche Day. But got my Honda Fit running good. I changed the VTEC solenoid, and now it's got power. Dude, I've never had so much fun in such a slow car. I had no idea. Like several of my coworkers, they're IT nerds, but they would swear to me about this car. They've been swearing it to me for like 10 years. Several of them have bought them when they were new. And I'm like, nah, it's a tiny little car. I only like trucks and sports cars, you know, Mustangs, Camaros, Porsches, you know, I own Porsches because I like Porsches. And dude, this little poopsicle is awesome. It is such a joy to drive. It's silly. It has positive feedback in the steering, even though it does lean. The motor, while it's slow, gives the illusion that I got more power coming. It just, oh, I'm so silly. Oh, dude, this little thing is fun. And that VTEC thing to swap out the solenoid was so easy. Oh my God. If it wasn't for the fact that I needed a 7/8 socket to deep socket to take off the oil sender on it, this would have been like a 10-minute fix. And then the part, I ordered the part from some place, it's called Auto A1 Auto Parts. they had a video on how to swap out the part, which was super silly. I'm like, wait, there's 4 bolts and just swap out the oil sender. And literally it's on the front, didn't have to remove anything, dig out stuff, remove all this stuff. It took me like 8 minutes. I didn't even make a video. It's not even worth making a video about. All right, that's just my morning. I went to the store. I had to get something for my pond. Later, when I get home, after I have breakfast and the pond is settled, I'm going to take the red Porsche to, there's an event today. The Porsche dealership got a 2024 Porsche Taycan like it's going to be redesigned in some way. I don't know if that's actually true, but they invited me to come down, look at it, drive it, whatever. And I'll bring my new red car. See if anybody thinks it's exciting. Yep, that's what you see. Raindrops. And that's what happens. Look, I waited all this time to drive the car because it's been raining, and I woke up this morning and it was like sunny and there was no rain last night, and then the news guy was like, oh, it's gonna be such a beautiful weekend. So I'm like, oh, I'll attend this Porsche event. I'll bring my red car. Yeah, it's raining. Oh well, it's okay. I've still never washed the car. And I did take the white one for a ride, as you sort of saw. And yeah, they're not the same animal at all. Oh my God, such a different car. They're not even the same. I mean, looks the same, feels the same. It's not the same. That's my old Porsche right there. Can you see it? Oh, it's up there. Damn. There you go. See it? Oh, man. Oh my God, that was hilarious. How do I... He put some stickers on his car. Dude. Can you believe it? It's my old 996. The young man who I didn't buy it from. He bought it from me, has been enjoying it. And look at that. We're watching everybody test drive the new 2024 Porsche Taycan. I thought it would look different, so I'm not as excited to drive it. And it's not a turbo Taycan, so I'll take some pictures of the cars and I'll show them to you. How rowdy is the GT3? That wasn't even a lot of RPM.
Travel the world and still feel like I never left home. Never left home. From Bali, Indonesia, down to Costa Rica, I'm never alone. Never alone. If I got roots on the radio, that's all I need. I'm ready to go. Just a little bag of weed and I'm feeling so free. I'm ready to go.
How awesome is this? I get down to the North Shore and there's sun's out. Sun's out, fun's out? I don't know. We'll see. Good times.
Go, you play reggae. Turn on some roots for a pick me up. Roll up a spliff, let it lift you up. Everywhere we go, we play reggae. Run back that tune. Just touched down in Brazil, and it's feeling like the first time. Groove is so good, I'm already high on the sunshine. I'll have this whole place on the same vibe in no time. So if I turn away up now, yeah, if I turn away up now, I know I can travel the world and still feel like I never left home. Never left home. When I go from London down to Argentina, I'm never alone. Never alone. If I got roots on the radio, that's all I need. I'm ready to go. Just a little bag of weed and I'm feeling so free.
It sure looks fun out there. A little overhead high. Water's deep. It's friendly. Yeah. And there's a lifeguard in case you mess up or you're tired. I love this beach. I used to bodyboard here all the time. I miss the ocean like you wouldn't believe. Now I drive Porsches. Now I just bought a truck, as you saw in the beginning, so I'm gonna start coming back to the beach again. And I got a little beach car, so I've been out of the water for a while and haven't been to the beach for a couple months, so it feels good to be at the beach. Okay, so the strangest thing happened. Well, you know, I went to the beach, drove the car, finally washed that car. But when I was drying this one, the hood popped open, and I don't understand why. I'm gonna try and see if it'll do it again. I'm gonna make sure I don't accidentally have the key in my pocket. It was really strange. So I was just wiping the car down, and when I wiped the hood, not gonna do it again. Maybe I just, it was in my pocket. I don't know. It was really strange, but the hood opened for no good reason. You saw that? Dude, what the? There's something to that. Oh, no, I don't know. Have you ever seen that feature before? What? That's kind of be a pain in the ass to wash the car, but okay. Let me get another towel. Dude, that was amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Do something fun for yourself, whether it's buy yourself a toy, a CD, DVD, PlayStation thing, I don't know, car, nice car, a poopsicle car like my truck that I just picked up, or just go to the beach or the park. Thank you very much for watching. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and the holidays things. I'm going to be off work for a week and play with the kid. That's what I'm going to do. Daddy's been neglecting the toy cars.